Hi everyone. So today I'm working on an 8x20 canvas and I'm going to do a flip and drag, but I'm going to be using cell activator black in the pour. This is mixed with Golden's carbon black and the Australian Floetrol. I just want to see if we'll get a different type of cell, so it's really just an experiment. All of the paints do have silicone in them, so this is one of the reactions that I'm looking for. So I am going to spray my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray to release all the paint. So when I do this on a flip and drag, I do like to rub it in so that it doesn't give me a puddle of silicone on the canvas. I don't need any additional cells. Okay. So my colors today are our Garage Posse paints. And I'm using our Gold Rush, our Chestnut Bronze, Victoria's Muscadine Wine, and our Persian Autumn Yellow. And these are all available through me. If you're interested in purchasing our paints, all the information is in our group on Facebook, the Garage Posse. And you can also find out about my paints by sending me an email, Christina Welch Art at yahoo.com. So I want to do a generous amount of the black. I'm going to follow that. I think I'll put the Chestnut Bronze next to that. So I'm just going to layer on top of that black. And then on top of the bronze, this is where I'm going to put the Persian Autumn Yellow. And then I'll do Victoria's Muscadine Wine. And some gold. And I think I might just drizzle some of that black over the top of that. This is more paint than what I normally use. So we'll see how this works. So I'm just going to flip it. Okay, it's all dropping. I'm going to go ahead and poke my hole. And we're just going to drag this paint. I have a spot here that hit the canvas a little bit, so I'm just going to help it along till we meet that part. I'll fling it out there. This is really pretty. Alright, so I have a little tiny bit of bareness there as well, but I'm not going to be able to get down there, so I'm going to have to, when I tilt back and forth, I'm going to have to try to get that paint to go. I do have a big pile of paint here. So hopefully stretching this out a little bit while move it around. I can always hit that with the airbrush as well. But I see a different type of cell structure, so that's kind of neat. I'm going to go this way and pour some of this off, just to bring some more color in. So we just don't want it black and white. I'm not minding that big amount of color there. I think it's pretty cool. So I want to try to blow this a little bit just to see what it will do. But I'm going to need to lift it up. And let's see. Actually, let me blow that into that white spot. So I have some kind of different types of cells there, as you can see. I don't normally get those type of cells when I do a flip and drag. They're more round and not so structured like that. So that's kind of neat, actually. I am going to torch. Okay, so I did get a little green from the black and yellow mixing, which is fine with me. But I'm going to let this set for a few minutes and see if anything else develops, and then we'll go ahead and we'll airbrush some edges out. This is really cool right here, but I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So while I was sitting here watching it develop, I noticed this little fish head here, and I noticed a little crocodile head here. It's funny how you find little things when you're just staring at a painting. But I am going to airbrush a little bit. I'm also going to fix this here because I'm not liking the red going over. And I'm going to skewer out a couple of things after I airbrush because I see I can pull some of this out and blend it all in together. So there's just going to be certain areas that I'm going to touch with the airbrush. This is pretty boring here. And I think I want to push this out. I'm going to try to maybe put a little black here and blow that in. Just have to fuss just a little bit with it. And like I say on my other videos, if you don't like the line, just pull it with your finger and get yourself a couple of wispies. I don't want to mess with that crocodile face. I think it's cute. So let me just take a little bit of black and just stick it in here. Just so I can try to blow it over a little bit. Just trying to bring some color out. So here I have that bald spot too, so I'm going to take a little bit of black here, just so I have something to push over. It's really not behaving in that spot. I'm going to go in and get myself a little bit of white. Gotta have something to blow over it there. Alright, let me turn her around and touch those few spots. I like to push out with my airbrush instead of pull in, because sometimes I get too long of a tundra. Really hoping that black would sell out a little bit, but it's not. You might want to torch it. I'll leave the fish head alone. I'm going to give this just a little bit of interest. And I think that's it. So let me swing it back around because I know the spots that I want to pull. So I saw this here that I wanted to play off of. then on this side, I wanted to grab this one and pull it out. I'm just not liking that spot there. So we will get rid of that spot. And I'll get some white from underneath here. And I'll push this out a little bit. I'm really liking that now. I could sit and pick all day. But I'm going to leave it alone now. Let's give it a final torch. Okay. I'm good. So let me give you a close-up. Still got my fish head, and I still got my crocodile head. But we added a little bit of interest. Get some movement in there. So I'm really loving it now. And this is selling out, which is kind of cool, and that little filigree there. But, so subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the bell. That way you get notifications when we upload new videos. Click like, share, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about my little crocodile and my little fish. He's cute. Join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. right here on my channel. And don't forget, March 8th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, we're doing our auction for St. Jude's Hospital. We're going to have a lot of artwork to auction off. 75% of the proceeds are going to get donated to those kids. And we hope that everyone can join us. Even if you just want to come and watch and support, that's great. If you don't want to buy a piece of artwork, you can make a donation to my PayPal link. That is down below. Just in the little note, put St. Jude's, and we'll make sure that that money gets donated. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.